Welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode we are going to learn how to set up third level navigation items inside the sidebar. So let's get started. So in our previous project, in our previous example, we have set up a navigation group for the sidebar. You can see that like inside the location we have a city, state and country module. But what if you want to set up like inside the state menu, you will have a third item called create state, update state or something like that you want to set up. So let me do that. So what we are going to do inside this example, inside the post we will have some more menus called categories and tags I can access. So let me go to my VS Code editor and go to the filament and go to the tags resource. Here we need to define one more property. So let's define protected static, and it will be a string data type, and that's called navigation parent item. Okay, this is the variable, and you need to define the module name. So our module name is post, so I will just define post, save it, and let me go to the dashboard, and you can see that our tags menu is disappear from here. But if I click on the post, it will appear inside the post. So that means only will visible when you click on the post. If you click on the dashboard, it's not going to access directly from there. If I click on the post, I can see the tags over here, I can access and I can do everything. Same way I want to move the categories inside the post. So let me do that. So go to the categories, and here same way you need to define navigation parent item variable. So protected static and a string data type and navigation parent item equal to again post. Save it. Okay, let me go here and hit refresh, and you will see that there is a categories and tags both will be inside the post right now. And one more thing, make sure you need to make it like proper value over here. If you make it lowercase like post and save it and hit refresh, it will be disappear. So that means you must have to follow these labels, so that way it will be properly inside the post or whatever menu you decide. Now let me create one more group that's called masters, and inside the masters I will have a post, products and users. Okay, so let me go to the users first and protected static, and then we need to define the string, unit enum and null, then navigation group, and that group will be a masters like this. Just save it. Made a mistake over here, masters, save it. Let me go here and hit refresh. You can see that we have a new navigation menu, and that's called the masters, and inside the master we have users. Now let me move the post and products as well. So let me go and just copy this for the products, paste it over here, and let me go here, hit refresh. You can see that products is go away over there. Let me go to the post, to the resource and define for that, save it and hit refresh. You can see that we have a new navigation group that's called masters, and inside the masters we have a post, products and users. If I click on the post, now it's not going to show the tags and categories. That's our goal, that we can the third level the group, right? But what you have to do, so you have to go to the again categories, and same way you need to define the navigation group like this. Go to the tags, and here also just save it. Let me go here, hit refresh, and you can see that it's appear. So that means you have to also define the group inside the categories and tags level as well. Okay, so this was very basic and simple example of how easily we can set up the third level group with the Filament PHP. And if you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video, guys.